Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am from United Public School. Welcome to English subject from 6th class.
Students, previous video where we have completed. See, unit 1, A reading we completed. Now B reading also, poem we completed. Now C reading, grand contest in the forest. Half part we completed in previous video. Now we continue the remaining part. Student, contest means competition. Where this competition is held? In the forest. So grand contest in the forest now. So it was on the great day. What happened? Every creature will give something special to the great one. Just like Lord of Wind, Water, Sun, praise to the best living beings. So trees are ready to, with their best flowers, and someone give their fruits, and someone give their honey, and someone give anything to the great one to impress the great one. So the great one will give prize to the best. Who give the best, they will award the prize. So who will win the prize, we can see here. Okay, now see here, gifts and beauty abound through the squirrel in despair. He thought and thought, but I will do what I can do best. He decided. He found hollow branches and filled them with as a many nuts and seeds of different trees, and he could find. So gift and beauty abound, thought the squirrel. So all are giving anything, but the little squirrel did not give anything to the great one. So except the little gray squirrel, he did not give anything to the great one. So he is thoughting that. So everyone is offering anything. I didn't give anything to the great one. So he is thoughting. Who is thoughting here? Squirrel. So what he thought? He found a hollow branch and filled them with a many nuts. So he found a hollow branch. In that he filled a many nuts. Have you see the nuts now? So those nuts he filled, and seeds of different trees. He can found hollow on the branches and fill them with a many nuts and seeds of different trees. So he can find. So he could find. The next day what happened? Everyone was ready. Next day what happened? Everyone was ready. The great one came. The air became soft and balmy. The streams tinkled as they tumbled over little rock. Great one, here is my gift, said each, laying gift at her feet. After everyone had given their gift, the great one looked at the little grey squirrel and asked, Little one, why are you quiet? I have nothing grand to offer you. I don't glow or sing, but what I have I give with my heart. And he scrambled away. He returned, dragging his dry branches. The great one or looked grave. I see beauty in form and sound. All waited, holding their breath. But the prize goes to the grey squirrel. For I can use the seed and sow them. New life will burst. Food trees will bear more fruit. It is a gift not only for today but also for all our tomorrows. The creature then marveled, saying, How foolish we were to think only of the present. 3 cheers for the little squirrel. So on the next day, what happened? The great one. So she is a great one. Okay. So he arrived on the forest. Everyone was ready for the contest with their gift. So everyone was ready to offer their gifts to the great one. They gave their gift one by one, saying, Great one, here is my gift. Here is my gift. Everyone are coming and giving the gift to the great one. So the great one looked at the squirrel who was sitting silent and asked. So he did not give anything to offer the great one. So all the animals will give to the great one except the little squirrel. The great one asked little squirrel, Why are you so quiet? Great one asked to the squirrel. Squirrel said, Everyone offer you great gifts, but I don't have anything grand to offer you. I don't blow or sing as others do. But what I I give you is from my heart. What I am giving, it is my heart. Who said? The squirrel said to the great one. Saying this, the squirrel returned dragging his dry branches. He collected some seeds, nuts and some seeds. So he dragged his dry branches. Then the great one was impressed by the squirrel words and said, I see beauty in the form and sound. Everyone was excited to know who was the winner. So everyone was excited here to know who won the prize. So then the great one announced the prize. So great one was announced the prize. So who got the prize? We can see here. Okay. The prize goes to the little squirrel. I can sow the seed. So the great one said that I can sow the seed that the squirrel give, which will grow into the trees and give new life to the nature. They give more fruits. This gift is not for today, but it is a gift for tomorrow also. So all the creatures then realized that the reason behind the decision and said we were so foolish and were thinking only of the present. So everyone cheer and congrats to the squirrel. So who won the prize here? Squirrel won the prize. In that we complete our C reading. So today's your assignment. Now see, today's your assignment question number 4. Who was the winner of the contest? Squirrel, no? You have to write. Now see the 5th one. Why did the great one give prize to the squirrel? Why did the great one give the prize to the squirrel? You have to write the answer. Now 6th one. See, if you were the judge, who will get the prize and why? Give the reason for your answer. So copy these 3 questions in your English notebook and send the answer in our group. Thank you.